Hi, 7th grade. Hope you're having a good Wednesday and that things are going well for you. Today's lesson is 10.4 and you're going to be learning about compound events. So as you watch the videos today, I want you to be thinking about how can you find the number of possible outcomes of one or more events. So this is kind of like when you've got different things happening and different things going on. So I wanted to quick show you basically the two ways that you can find it, and honestly they both work, so whichever one works best for you. The first one that I want to talk to you about is called a sample space, and basically what that means is you draw out what's going on. So imagine, if you will, that you own your own pizza shop and you are selling pizzas. So your customers have a choice. They can either get a thin crust pizza or a stuffed crust pizza. And then you've got 4 different styles. You've got Hawaiian pizza, Mexican pizza, pepperoni pizza, or veggie pizza. So 2 different types of crust, 4 different styles. And so when I use sample space, I draw it out. So I have my crust and I wrote out the 4 styles. Same thing here, my stuffed crust, and I wrote out the 4 styles. So basically I can get a thin Hawaiian, thin Mexican, thin pepperoni, thin veggie, or stuffed Hawaiian, stuffed Mexican, stuffed pepperoni, or stuffed veggie. So I've drawn it all out, and I can see that there are 8 possible outcomes that I have. So this is one way to do it, a sample space, and you draw it out. Another way that you can do it is called the fundamental counting principle. And basically what that means is you take your 2 categories and you multiply them. So I had 2 options for a crust, and I had 4 options for the style of pizza. So when I do 2 times 4, I get 8. And that's exactly what I had over here, is I had 8 different outcomes that I could have gotten. Another example is, let's say you're planning out your outfits for the week, and you have 7 t-shirts clean, you've got 4 pairs of pants clean, and you've got 3 pairs of shoes. So if I said, well, how many possible outfits could you come up with? Yes, you could draw it out. You could use the sample space, but it might take a while for all your 7 shirts and 4 pants and 3 shoes. So if I use this fundamental counting principle, I just take my 7 shirts times my 4 pants times my 3 pairs of shoes, and I get 84 total outfits that I can have for the week. So this is basically what you're going to be learning about in 10.4. And again, make sure you watch those videos. Make sure you are working on your Imagine Math. If you have any questions, make sure that you let me know. And we have our joke of the week. No, I did not forget. So here we go. What do you call an alligator in a vest? An investigator. You know you love it. Bye, guys. See you tomorrow.